So today I'm going to explain to you how to make this kind of bar soap so smooth and silky without even having a machine to cut or anything. You need just basically three things to make this soap. You can see how well it lathers, and this soap doesn't only lather, it cleanses so well. Cleanses so well and lather so well, and you need just very few ingredients to make this bar soap. So let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing we are going to measure, as you all know that it is very important in bar soap making, is our caustic soda. And why is caustic soda important? Caustic soda is what we need to combine with our water to make the lye solution. So for you to make your laundry bar soap, you need lye solution. So, and lye solution is prepared using caustic soda and water. So right now I'm going to measure the quantity of caustic soda needed. We'll be needing just 100 gram of caustic soda. 100 gram of caustic soda is what I am going to measure. Please make sure you work with measurement. It is very, very important so that you will not get a bad outcome. So, and this is the quantity of water we are going to need. This is 500 ml of water. Now for my oil and my water, I use 50-50 ratio. What do I mean by that? My oil, if it is 500 ml, my water is 500 ml. I know you'll be wondering how possible. Just keep watching. So after putting the quantity of water needed into this bowl, then I will come in with my caustic soda. Please, if you're adding your caustic soda into water and you don't see any visible reaction, there is no exothermic reaction, it is not released into the environment, and this kind of thing you are seeing on the surface level. Now can you see as if the caustic soda is bopping up and coming up a little, and the water is kind of turning milky? Either for bar soap or for liquid soap or anything you want to use caustic soda for, if you add it to your water and you are not seeing any reaction, there is no heat, there is no bubbling reaction like you see, it's not turning milky, please do not continue with that production. Make sure you check your caustic soda very well. They might have sold expired caustic soda for you, or caustic soda that is not active again, and it will affect the outcome of your soap. So I will set this aside to dissolve, but not totally cool down. We need it warm but not hot. So I'll go ahead and grease my soap mold. This soap mold, I kept it somewhere for a long time. I didn't use it, so I didn't know what happened to it. I've tried to wash it off, but it's not cleaning. So this is me measuring the quantity of oil I'm going to use. Remember I told you we are using ratio 50-50, so I will measure 500 ml of oil. Also, if you look at this cup, is calibrated, so it's very easy for me to measure. If you don't have what you can use to measure at home, your chemical store, tell them to measure for you. And let me burst your bubble, this oil also is a bit warm, not hot, warm. And this oil, I made it myself. The video of how I made the oil is right here on this channel. What you see here is palm oil, but I bleached it using chemical. So that's what gave me this beautiful outcome. So if I didn't tell you this is palm oil, you might not even know. So my oil is warm, just a little, and my caustic soda is also warm, not hot, please. And the reason why I'm using them warm is because of the current weather condition of where I am. Like the weather is cold kind of, so I don't want it congealed immediately. Then you start by adding your caustic soda solution, that's your lye solution, into your oil gradually. Don't pour everything at once, please. Add it gradually and stir. Then do not apply too much pressure while stirring. Just continue to stir in one direction, just like you see me do. So stir it gradually and continue like that. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button. Put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you get notified. Can you see what our soap is forming already, right? Now we are going to measure the next solution that we are going to combine with this, and this is what we call the sugar solution. I'm going to use just 10 ml of sugar solution, and I'll be adding it to it gradually. Now, why do I need to add sugar solution? You see this sugar solution, it helps your soap to lather so well. Like it gives it more than enough bubbles. So you need just more quantity of soap to wash before your clothes get clean. You don't need to even stretch yourself. Yes, and it's the one that gave it that smooth and silky look. Now when you are adding this, please do not oversteer, just do it gradually, because this sugar solution heats up soap very fast and it make it to trace very, very fast. Now this will not change the color because of just the small quantity I added. This yellow color you see is because of the weather, like rain want to fall, so you mix gradually. Then I will add silicates just to add in my soap. This is like a hardener. If you don't add this, your soap will get hard, but it might just take time. So I also measured 10 ml of silicates. I will add to it and mix together. To all my returning subscribers, I sincerely want to appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch and like my video. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. And if today is your first time you have not subscribed, please do well to join this wonderful family and subscribe. So I mixed everything together. I believe you can see the face of the soap, like as if something is cooking, jelly, right? Can you see it? And there's no lump. I hope you can see it, guys. So I advise that your soap mold or anything you want to use should be ready, so that it doesn't get sick before you transfer it into the mold. So I will transfer it into my soap mold, then the remaining ones into my plastic container or anything you want to use. Then you keep your soap. If there is need for dressing, maybe you didn't pour it well, just like you see me do, you dress it. Please, when you are working, make sure you work in an open environment. Wear your hand glove. It is very important. Put safety first. So after like 24 hours, this is my soap. Can you see that the shape is coming out on its own, even without applying force? These soaps will come out because I greased my molds. So this is me bringing out my soap. Can you see them? So beautiful, taking the shape of the soap mold. Can you see them, guys? And whenever you are working with chemicals, please always put on your hand glove. It is very, very important. Very important. The reaction of caustic soda and some other chemicals on the skin is not palatable. So I will not even want you to experience it. I've experienced some before and I can tell you it is not palatable. So this is my mold. It doesn't have any effect on it. So guys, let's remove the big one. Can you see it? How clean and smooth is it? Can you see how silky it is? Can you see it, guys? This is what you can do at home. Just your sugar solution, your lye solution, and your oil. You have a very good soap outcome if you follow this video very well. Now, this water I have here is more than 2 liters. We just want to test the effectiveness of our soap. So I will pick one and try to wash this handkerchief. The handkerchief is dirty. Now please, I will advise you, after molding your soap, to allow it to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before you start using it. I'm just doing this now just to show you the outcome of the soap. So I will still go and keep my soap in airy place, free from moisture, to allow it to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before I start using them. This is to allow the whole process to like come to a conclusion. So can you see it, guys? Can you see how well it ladder? Can you just see it yourself? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to this very end. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you are not like and share this video with your loved ones. And I hope you are going to try this at home. See you in my next video. Bye.